Welcome to the deep dive. This week we're doing something a bit different, focusing on helping you navigate the Toronto real estate scene.
Exactly. Specifically, we've got a curated list of this week's open houses, really trying to give you an efficient way to plan your weekend.
And this isn't just a random list, right? These have been carefully selected.
That's right. They've been put together by Brad Cox from the Heaps Estrin team. He really knows the Toronto market inside and out, so these are, thoughtfully chosen properties.
Good to know. And I think it's also important to mention this list, it's just the open houses, the public ones.
Absolutely. Brad also has access to quite a few exclusive listings,
Yeah.
off-market stuff that you won't find just browsing online.
So if nothing on this list quite hits the mark, there are definitely other possibilities out there with him.
For sure. And that's kind of his thing, isn't it? Creating that bespoke real estate experience. He really digs into what clients need.
Right. Tailored service. So, okay, our plan today is pretty simple. We'll run through each open house.
Yep. Giving you the key details.
Yeah.
Address, price, number of beds, days on market.
And maybe one thing that, really makes it stand out, just trying to make your scouting efficient. Ready to jump in?
Let's do it.
Okay, first up, 79 Moore Avenue. That's Toronto, M4T 1V6.
Price on this one is $2,295,000.
And it's got 3 bedrooms, just hit the market, one day on market.
Wow, brand new. What's the highlight?
Well, it's described as meticulously renovated, has a pretty sophisticated living room, apparently with a wood-burning fireplace.
Oh, nice. A wood-burning fireplace is a real gem.
Yeah, and it also mentions a private backyard oasis, mature trees. Sounds lovely.
Definitely. When can people see it?
Open houses are Saturday, April 12th, 4 p.m., and Sunday the 13th, also 4 p.m.
Got it. Moore Park, great spot. Renovated like that, probably move in ready.
Okay, number 2 is 52 Cheriton Avenue, Toronto, M4R 1S6.
Same price point. $2,295,000, but this one offers 4 bedrooms.
4 beds, and it's been listed for 4 days.
Okay, still pretty fresh. What's special here?
The lot size seems to be the big thing. It's a rare 38 by 131-foot lot, which is generous for Lytton Park.
Wow, yeah, that is big for the area.
Plus, it has a private drive and a garage. Big convenience factors there.
Absolutely. Private drive, garage, and Lytton Park, definitely key selling points. Anything inside stand out.
Sun-filled living room and an updated kitchen that even has heated floors.
Heated floors, nice touch.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
good combo of space, location, and modern updates.
Seems like it. Open houses are the same time, Saturday and Sunday, 2 to 4 p.m.
Okay, good one to check out for sure.
All right, next on the list, 96 Castlefield Avenue, Toronto, M4R 1G4.
Price ticks up slightly here. $2,389,000.
This one has 3 bedrooms, and it's been on the market for 3 days.
3 days, okay. Castlefield.
Yeah,
That puts us in Allenby.
exactly. And the description highlights that it's been, quote, exquisitely cared for and updated. Allenby's known for that family feel, good schools.
Right, very desirable neighborhood. What's the layout like?
Open concept main floor, which is great for modern living.
Yeah.
And there's a family room with a walkout to a spacious yard.
Open concept at a walkout yard in Allenby. Sounds ideal for families.
Yeah.
People should note the times, though.
Good point. This one's a bit different. Saturday, April 12th is 3 to 5 p.m.
3 to 5 p.m. Saturday.
And Sunday, April 13th is earlier, 12 p.m. to 2 p.m.
Okay, 12 to 2 Sunday. Got it.
Moving along, number 4 is 169 Parkhurst Boulevard, Toronto, M4G2E9.
Price is $2,395,000. This is a detached home with 4 bedrooms.
4 beds, and it's been listed for 4 days. This one's in South Leaside.
South Leaside, another great family area. What's the vibe here?
Described as bright and well-loved.
Mhm.
The standout seems to be the south-facing garden, which is always nice for light.
Oh yeah, south facing is definitely a plus. Lots of sun.
And it also mentions potential for future renovation, so maybe good bones, chance to customize.
Sounds like it. A solid house in a top neighborhood with upside potential. Always appealing.
Open houses for Parkhurst are Saturday and Sunday, 2 to 4 p.m.
Standard times for that one. Okay.
Next, let's head to Summerhill, 9 Ottawa Street, Toronto, M4T 2B5.
Okay, Summerhill. This one's listed at $2,495,000.
It's a semi-detached, and it has 3 plus 1 bedrooms, so that extra space is flexible.
3 plus 1. Good. How long on market?
Just 1 day. Super new listing, like the first one.
Right. What makes it unquestionably cool?
Yeah, that's the description. It apparently marries a Victorian facade with modern interiors really well.
Ah, the blend of old and new. That can be really striking when done right.
And it has a walkout to a private garden, too.
Private garden in Summerhill. Nice little urban escape.
Seems that way. Open houses Saturday and Sunday. 2 to 4 p.m. again.
Okay, that Victorian modern mix sounds intriguing.
Number 6 takes us to Deer Park, 44 Foxbar Road, Toronto, M4V2G6.
Deer Park, lovely area. Price is $2,695,000.
And this is a bigger one, a detached home with 5 bedrooms.
5 bedrooms, okay. 3 days on the market.
Yeah. The standout here is the style. It's a large Edwardian 3-story home.
Oh, wow. Proper character home.
Definitely. And they mentioned many original features have been preserved.
That's fantastic. People love those original details.
It also boasts a serene garden, complete with a covered pergola.
Pergola, too. Sounds like a very graceful property. Lots of space and charm.
Seems like it. Open houses Saturday and Sunday, 2 to 4 p.m.
Good option for someone needing more space and appreciating that classic style.
Okay, number 7. 71 Highbourne Road, Toronto, M5P2J3.
This is Chaplin Estates, listed at $2,775,000.
It's 3+1 bedrooms, similar to the Ottawa Street one. 4 days on market.
Chaplin Estates is beautiful,
Yeah.
very picturesque, tree-lined streets.
Exactly. That's mentioned as a key feature of the street itself.
Makes sense. What about the house?
It highlights a spacious family room addition, so extra living space, which is always valuable.
An addition, yeah, that's a big plus, especially a family room.
And there's a walkout from there to a private deck.
Deck for outdoor space.
Nice.
Seems like a solid family home in a prime spot.
Open houses Saturday, Sunday, 2 to 4 p.m.
Okay, consistent times mostly.
Mostly. Next, number 8. 12 Douglas Crescent, Toronto, M4W2E7.
Ah, Governor's Bridge area.
Mhm.
Very prestigious. Price is $2,825,000.
4 bedrooms here, and it's been on the market for 3 days.
Governor's Bridge. What's the highlight?
Meticulously maintained seems to be the key phrase, and it features a large, sun-drenched family room
Fun drenched. Nice.
that opens right onto the garden. So great indoor-outdoor flow.
That flow is something buyers really look for. Seamless connection to the outside space.
For sure. You can check it out Saturday or Sunday, 2 to 4 p.m.
Meticulously maintained in Governor's Bridge. Definitely worth seeing.
Almost there.
Yeah.
Number 9, 70 Inglewood Drive, Toronto, M4T1H3.
Back to Moore Park. Listed at $2,895,000.
3+1 bedrooms again. Only 2 days on the market.
Quite new. What's special about this one in Moore Park?
Location, 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 it seems. It has a serene ravine setting.
Ooh, a ravine lot in Moore Park. That's premium. Huge appeal for privacy and nature.
Absolutely. Plus, it has a rare 2-car built-in garage.
2-car built-in. That IS rare and incredibly valuable there.
Right. And it also mentions a side center hall layout, which apparently makes it feel more like a detached home.
Interesting layout point. Ravine, garage, specific layout. Lots going for it.
Open houses Saturday and Sunday, 2 to 4 p.m.
That one sounds quite special.
Okay, last one. Number 10, 40 Glengowan Road, Toronto, M4N1G2.
This takes us to Lawrence Park. Price is just under the $3 million mark. $2,995,000.
It's a family home, 4+1 bedrooms, been on the market 3 days.
Lawrence Park, always popular. What stands out?
It's described as a charming 2.5-story home. Big plus is walkability to Yonge Street.
Ah, walkability to Yonge from Lawrence Park is fantastic. Shops, restaurants, transit.
Exactly. It also features spacious principal rooms and an updated eat-in kitchen.
Spacious rooms, updated kitchen. Sounds like a classic, comfortable Lawrence Park family home.
Seems like it. Now, note the open house time here. It's only Sunday, April 13th from 2 to 4 p.m.
Ah, just Sunday for this one. Good catch. 2 to 4 p.m.
So there we have it. That's our rundown of 10 carefully selected open houses for this weekend in Toronto.
Yeah, all curated, as we said, by Brad Cox at the Heaps Estrin team. Hopefully that gives everyone a more focused way to maybe plan their Saturday or Sunday.
Definitely saves some legwork. You've got the key info, the standout features for each.
And like we mentioned at the start, this is just a slice of what's out there.
Right. If none of these are quite right, remember Brad Cox has access to those exclusive off-market properties too.
Exactly. And his whole approach is about creating that, tailored experience, finding what really fits your needs.
So reaching out to him directly is always an option if you want to explore further or discuss specifics.
Absolutely. Looking at this list, it really spans some fantastic neighborhoods and different styles of homes.
It does. It really makes you think, doesn't it?
Yeah, it prompts that question. As you hear about these places, what are your non-negotiables? What does your ideal Toronto home look and feel like?
And how could maybe visiting 1 or 2 of these, even if they aren't perfect, help you crystallize that vision and get closer to finding it? Something to think about.